Want to make your Facebook account private from your iPhone? Hey there, in this video, I'll walk you through the processes of how you can make your Facebook account private. So let's get started. Facebook doesn't have any direct option to turn your account to private, so you have to do that manually. Now to do that, open Facebook, tap on Menu, scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, tap the Privacy shortcut. Now tap See More Privacy Settings, scroll down, tap on How people find and contact you. Now from here you can customize all the settings. You can set who you can send request, who can see your friend list, contacts, and other informations. So check them out and set your information as a private account. So guys, this is how you can make your Facebook account private. Hope you find this video helpful. If it was, drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.